It's woody woodpecker right there. If I zoom in anymore, it's just gonna get blurry. I can't show you how far away it is. Oh, we gotta go behind the tree. Oh, a little more. Yeah, wait. Oh, he's jumping around like he knows her. Right there.
I'm gonna bang my face on this
You know,
wall.
the camera's so bad. It's a big woodpecker. Bright red on top of his head. That's what it looks like he's doing. That's what they do. Woody woodpecker. I don't remember. Where'd he go?
I learned to stop.
Where? Oh,
Just stop.
do I have one?
Go up. Go left.
Awesome. That was fun.
Big woody woodpecker. I can zoom in much. It looks like crap if I do. There it is.